Today's video is gonna be short and sweet. I've just got a few new luxury goodies to share with you guys. As always, everything will be linked down below in the info box. And this month only, I've got a 15% off FARFETCH coupon code. That is the biggest coupon code they've ever given to me to share with you. Usually it is 10%, but this month only it is 15% off. If you use the links down below and use the code Amanda15 at checkout, you can save 15% on a ton of luxury brands. But let's go ahead and get started because I've got some goodies to share with you.
Moment tonight, they led me to you.
We're gonna go ahead and start out with the pair of shoes that I ordered from FARFETCH. These are from Chloe. I've actually been eyeing these for a long time and they are seriously so perfect for spring and summer. So I knew I had to add them to my collection for the upcoming season. And it is are these called the Chloe Woody sandals? I think they are. And they literally go so perfect with my Woody tote. They are seriously so cute. So I ended up going to a 37 in these. I think they only came in full sizes. So I got a 37 and they fit perfect. I am really excited to wear these. I think they're just a really good neutral. I think they're fun. They've got like the little logo detail, but I don't feel like it's like too crazy or anything like that. I think they're really cute, very neutral, but they do come in a ton of colors. These are gonna be a go-to this spring and summer. So this is actually going to be my very first Balmain bag. And I actually ordered this for a couple of different reasons. Obviously, I thought it was completely adorable and perfect for spring and summer. But two, the price point was amazing. And I'm always looking for affordable luxury handbags, like that $1,000 price range. This one's actually under $1,000 that I can recommend to you guys. I kind of feel like it is my responsibility to find good luxury handbags that I can recommend to you. And that's part of the reason why I picked this one. I really love it too. I think it's so adorable. And like I said, so perfect for spring and summer. So it is a Balmain crossbody like camera bag. It is in this beautiful like linen. You've got the piping in my all-time favorite color and this beautiful gold hardware. You've got an adjustable strap. It is a camera bag style, which you guys know I love. It's just really simple, but still really nice and beautiful. A decent size on the inside. You've got a little slip pocket back there. And of course says Balmain Paris in the front with like a little like frame detail. It's plain on the side. So if you're carrying this and you don't want the logo showing, you could definitely have this side out, or you could have the Balmain side out. But I'm really excited to kind of give this a try, really wear it and let you guys know if I recommend it. I can tell first impressions, I think it's a great value for the price. Like I said, the quality of it is amazing. The piping is really beautiful. The hardware is really beautiful. I actually love that it's almost like an antique-y type of gold instead of that super shiny yellow gold. I like it. The stitching is really nice. You've got, like I said, the adjustability here. So I feel like it's gonna be a great bag and something that I can recommend to you guys, especially at this price point. It is so hard to find luxury bags now at this price point. It really, and like functioning like bags that you could actually wear. And I think that this is about as good as it gets. I think this is so adorable. And like I said, perfect for spring and summer. Before we dive into the final handbag that I want to share with you, trust me, you're going to want to stay tuned for that one because it's pretty amazing. I did want to share these packing cubes that I ordered. I actually ordered two sets. This is one set right here. And then this is the other set right here. I ordered two. I don't need to show you both, but I ordered them because this color was seriously perfection with my whole luggage combo. I have like a luggage that has like white with like leather straps that are this color. And then I have a few other like travel bags that are this color as well. So I thought I just had to get these when I saw them. So it is a 5-piece set. You've got the large cube. You've got like a medium sized cube, which you can see you've got the mesh detail there. Then you've got two small cubes, it looks like. Two small cubes. And then maybe like a more of like a toiletry bag. So I really love this set and I highly recommend it if you're gonna be doing any traveling or you just are like me and you like to have coordinating stuff, I really, really like these sets. I'll link those down below. And the last bag that I want to share with you also came from FARFETCH. And yes, you can use the Amanda15 coupon code on this as well. This bag, okay, should I just show you? I don't know. Okay, so this one is, again, if you have been around for a while, you know that I have really made an attempt to not only have just a beautiful collection, but a very diverse collection. And this bag right here, I feel like is trending, but I love the fact that I found a version that works for me. This is a good everyday bag, but it is in such a trendy like silhouette that I just think it's gonna be so amazing. So obviously it is from Balenciaga. I'm super excited. Is this my first Balenciaga bag? Oh my goodness, I think it might be. How crazy. Okay. So what I got was this hourglass line with the whole like curve here is so hot right now. And there is like the top handle one that is so popular. And I think that one is adorable. I really, really do. And I'm not saying I wouldn't ever get one of those, but I just felt like the size might be a little bit small. But when I saw this version, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta give that one a try. I just thought it was so, so cute. Obviously the color was amazing. This one is more like an everyday size. Let me pull this out. You can see there is a lot of room in there. In this beautiful color, you've got this gorgeous gold. Again, it's like an antique kind of matte gold chain with this Balenciaga. I don't even know what you would call this. I'm not sure what you would call it at all, but it is just so cute and actually really, really comfortable to wear. I feel like it is a little bit more modern and trendy than I typically go for, but I love it so much. The leather is seriously beautiful. Like the leather on this is seriously gorgeous. It is a smooth, but it's like a little bit crackled a little bit. I don't know how to fully explain it. You do have a little pocket back here, and I do actually think it's a realistic pocket that I would put my phone in because the leather is so soft. It's gonna work. On the inside, you have one zipper compartment back here. All my paperwork and stuff that's back there, and then you've got a slit compartment right here in the front. But I just have to point out how cute is this Balenciaga logo right here, the little gold, and then you've got a magnetic closure there so you can see. I love it. Isn't it so fun? I do feel like it's a little bit different for me, but I love it. I think it's really, really beautiful. I think it's so on trend, but I think it is like a good mix of something that I would typically go for in this color, in the gold hardware, in a good size. And then of course, I actually really like the length. Typically I go for crossbody bags, but this one is so comfortable. It's like really, really, really comfortable. So I'm super excited to wear this. And I just think it's so fun, right? I love it. I love it so, so much. So that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see these pieces in action. I do share outfits of the day there. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. Make sure to follow along for more fashion and luxury videos. Don't forget, you can use the code Amanda15 to save 15% on the 3 pieces that I shared with you in today's video, but also a ton of other pieces from FARFETCH. All of the links will be down below, so use those links and then use Amanda15 at checkout to save 15%. Keep in mind, it's not all luxury brands, but it is a ton of them. And if you're new to FARFETCH, I've been ordering from them for many, many years. All the pieces are brand new, direct from the boutique, and you're just able to save a little bit of money. They do have a pre-love section. I get asked that all the time. I have ordered from the pre-love section, I think maybe twice, and I've had great luck with that as well. But everything is brand new. Like it's just like ordering from the boutiques. It's just kind of like a middleman to kind of source good deals and better deals on different luxury pieces. So again, check out the links down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.